guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I know it's been a while and honestly I have missed doing this. Right now we are in the middle of the Eid holidays and I'm gonna be honest, I feel so stuck, like mentally, emotionally, physically, say whatever. I don't even know what's going on. I feel like I need a vacation so badly. But the funny part is I just went for a vacation. Not once but twice I went to India. I had like a housewarming, which is like my parents built a house in Kerala. So I had gone for that. And the second time my sister was in Kerala, like in our house, in our new house. So I decided to go again to stay with them so that we have like a little family time together. So that was amazing, and I'm back in Dubai, but I kind of feel that I need a vacation again. It's like there is a movie dialogue, right? Jolly kitty madam leave edukkan vendi. That's the sthiti right now. Let me know how many of you guys feel the same. Anyway, since it's been a while, I thought let's ease back into things with a monthly favorite video. I want to start this as a series where I talk about 5 products every month that I've been loving, some that I've used forever and some that are new discoveries from May. And these are things I use every day. Like I put them on my skin, eat them, slather them all over myself, and I'm literally obsessed. So let's not waste time and let's jump into the video. So the first product that I'm going to talk about is this toner. Now this one has been living rent-free in my skin shelf lately. This is from Beauty of Joseon Green Plum Refreshing Toner AHA plus BHA. Now this is priced at around 65 to 75 dirhams depending upon where you get it. I got this from Life Pharmacy here. Why I love this? It's such a gentle exfoliating toner. If you're someone who's scared of AHAs or BHAs, this is great entry level product. Now it doesn't sting, it doesn't dry out your skin. My skin feels so smooth the next day. I usually use this at night and a few times a week, and I genuinely feel like my skin looks fresher the next morning. Plus, it has green plum water, which is super refreshing, especially great for Dubai's heat. The next product that I'm going to talk about is this cream. This is Cosrx Advanced Snail 92 All-in-One Cream. I'm so much into Korean products right now, but this is a holy grail and I'm officially a snail slime convert. The texture is quite sticky at first, but once you apply it, it actually melts into your skin. It's super hydrating, doesn't clog your pores, and gives you that juicy, healthy glow. I've been using it for quite a while and I love this product so much. So if you're someone who has also a little dry skin, or if you had problems with your skin, like it's acting up really bad, give this a try. I'm sure you will love this product. The next up is this blush right here. Now this is from Luna Beauty Moon Prism Liquid Blush, and this is in shade Fuchsia. This blush is giving me life lately, and this shade is a stunning deep pink that blends like a dream. Why I love it? It melts into your skin. It's super pigmented but also buildable, and it doesn't mess up your skin base. This gives you such a healthy tint without looking patchy or heavy. I've been reaching out this even on minimal makeup days because it just makes me look more awake and fresh, and I love this product. Today I have used the same one, but I blended very nicely because it's quite intense, but it gives me such a natural glow, and I love this product. I've been using this blush lately for everything, be it going to office or even if I'm doing a full face like heavy makeup, I'm using this blush because I love this product that much. Next up is this concealer, and this is from Ali Oop Game Face Second Skin Concealer. I cannot stop using this. I have used so many concealers, but this is honestly like your skin but better. Now, this is in shade Winner, and if you like light natural looking coverage, this concealer is honestly so good. The shade matches me really well and the formula is super lightweight. What I really like about this product is it doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything. It blends right into the skin and just evens out the under eye area without looking cakey or settling into your lines. I use it kind of the days when I don't want to do a full face but still want to look put together. That's the days when I use this, which is kind of every single day. Last but not the least, I'm gonna talk about these lip pencils. Oh my god, these are such a steal. These are lip liners from Mars. I got them from Amazon. They are like 10 to 15 dirhams per piece. I think I got it for like 50-60 dirhams for the whole thing, and they are amazing. I love them. They glide on so smoothly. The shade range is incredible and they actually stay on. I love them so much that I bought almost like in every colors. But I sometimes wear them on their own with a lip balm or just a gloss. It just pulls the look together. Definitely a good budget find. It's one of those hidden gems you randomly fall in love with. I'm using this shade right now, which is I think the cocoa butter. Like the brown shades are so freaking amazing. I love the cinnamon and also the cocoa butter, and that's what I'm using right now. And I've not used any lipstick. It's just the lip liner, and then I've just smudged it a little bit, and that's pretty much it. You can just wear it just like this, and that's it for this monthly faves. I'm really hoping I can keep up with this series because I genuinely enjoy talking about the stuff I actually use and love. So if you tried any of these, let me know in the comments, or if you have any recommendations, please do let me know in the comments. I'm all yours. I love discovering new things, and if you're also in that I need a vacation from my vacation vibe, please do let me know in the comment section so that I don't feel alone. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, bye and take care.